हेलो एवरीबॉडी। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल के बारे में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। So, what is accounting principle? Accounting principle is basically a general guidelines. Unlike in the past, जब accounting statement सिर्फ proprietor ही यूज़ करते थे, बट आज के डेज में जो accounting statement है वो बहुत सारी पार्टीज़ को ज़रूरत पड़ती है, जैसे कि proprietors, investor, creditors। अकाउंटिंग स्टेटमेंट क्या डिस्क्लोज करती है? प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी एंड सोलवेंसी ऑफ द बिजनेस टू वेरियस पार्टीज। सो इट इज़ देयरफॉर एक नेसेसरी है कि हम ये सेट ऑफ रूल्स बनाएं जो कि जर्नल एक्सेप्टेड अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल कहलाता है। बेसिकली इसको हम जर्नल एक्सेप्टेड क्यों बोलते हैं? बिकॉज इट इज़ एक्सेप्टेड by all the accountants all over the world. These principles have developed over a course of period from usage, reason, common experiences, historical precedent, statement of individual. So basically it is a general guidelines which is accepted by everybody. Okay, so नेक्स्ट आता है नेचर एंड करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल। सबसे पहले अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल आर यूनिफॉर्म सेट ऑफ rules. Basically, it is a uniform set of rules or guidelines which ensure the uniformity and easy to understand of accounting information. Next is accounting principles are man-made. It is derived from experience and reason. These are not laboratory tested. Hence, there is no universal applicability. Okay, so next point is accounting principles are flexible. They are not rigid. They changes with the passage of time. ठीक है, flexible means changes. ठीक है, next is accounting principles are generally accepted. These are the basis and guidelines which are generally accepted. Okay, next is why do we need accounting principle? Basically, to make the accounting information useful, to make the information reliable and comparable, so that it compare with the previous year. So that is why accounting principle is needed, because it is based on some rules which is policies, principle and conventions. These rules bring uniformity and consistency to the process of accounting and also enhances utility to different user of accounting information. So that is why there is a need of accounting principle. Next is kinds of accounting principles. There are two kinds of accounting principle. One is accounting concept or assumption. Second is accounting convention. What is accounting concept? In order to make the language convey the same meaning to all people, to make it more meaningful, so the concept are performed. The concept are there usually performed, followed for preparing the financial statement. Basically, these concepts provide a foundation for accounting process. As per the Accounting Standard 1 issued by the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, there are three fundamental accounting concepts, which is going concern concept, consistency concept, and accrual concept. So let's start one by one. Number first is going concern concept. So basically, it is assumed that the business will continue to exist for a long period in a future. So it is a going concern concept. The transactions are recorded in the books of business on the assumption that is a continuing enterprise. Next is consistency concept. This concept states that the accounting principle and method should remain consistent from one year to another. It should not be changed from year to year in order to enable the management to compare the profit and loss account and the balance sheet of the different periods and draw the important conclusions. Next is accrual concept. Accrual basis is used for recording of transaction. It provides more appropriate information from about the performance of enterprise as compared to the cash basis. This means कि occur if there is any expense in the period, then you have to record in that period unless or until its payment is received or not. Next is business entity concept. Basically, the business is treated as the unit separate and distinct from its owners. That is why it is a separate legal entity. Next is money measurement concept. Only those transactions and events are recorded which are capable of being expressed in terms of money. This cost concept. According to this, an asset is ordinarily recorded in the books of account and the price at which it was acquired. Next is magic concept. According to this concept, in determining the net profit from business, all costs which are applicable to revenue should be charged against that revenue. Next is dual concept. According to this concept, every business transaction as recorded is having a dual concept. If there is a credit, there is a debit. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you will understand all the accounting principles, the concept, and the conventions.